Hey everyone, I'm Jay. Today we're watching the third episode of Konosuba Explosion! Last episode, they did some training of some sort against some helpless little monsters and frozen in place. And wow. Wow, that was funny. Like, I'd always known that Union got the short end of the stick. I had no idea how bad it really was for her, and this is just... Oh my god, I feel so bad for Union. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, that's cool. Eh? Megaweed, what are you doing? Oh my god, Megaweed. Hey! Uh-huh. I love it calling the cat Megaweed right now. Just devouring everything. So good. Oh, yeah, it's so insane. Lilymoto, so adorable. God. Oh, it looks so bad. Yeah, this school is just off its rocker in every way, and it's great. I cannot wait for Megami to let out her first explosion. It's gonna be good. Gonna be amazing. The cat. Episode 2. It says episode 3. What? First one was episode 0? I don't know. That's not right. I'm actually curious now. Yeah, it's episode 3. What's going on? I swear I just said episode 2 in the translation, but whatever. Ink. The face. Ink. Oh god, terrible name. Oh boy, let's go. Let's do what you want. Time to play with the cat. Everyone's gonna play with the cat. Really? Landmine mages. I love that nickname. Landmine mages. That is so fitting. Why? Oh boy. Kageki do what? Oh, you nude. They immediately regret it. Oh my god, you. What? Oh my god, poor Union. Past life? What? Oh, her hair's gonna be a mess. I'm actually with Megami on that. Spider. Zoop. Those little beady eyes. Oh, say. Taunting her. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Need ammo. It's like, don't you dare touch my hair. Got him. Victory. Yeah. Oh. Neat. Okay. Mm. Oh, sorry, he's doing the hole. That's it? That's not a very good skill then, is it? Stalker. Yeah. It's freaking creepy dude. Yeah. I wonder why. Yes, he's getting away from you, dude. Oh. No. Nice toss. They're gonna bury him in books. Bookshelves have been emptied. I do not want to reorganize that library. Oh God. Oh, those eyeballs, man. Creepy. I kind of like it. Oh, that's her. Okay, okay, okay. Really? Doing it for a meal. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. I'm not doing. I want to do it either, Union. Oh no! Why? What? Oh, oh my God! What? Oh God! So bad. Oh, what a creep. She's like, I know you're there. Thwack! I'm waiting for it. I knew that was coming. Are you sure? I don't believe you. Hey, you're gonna leave me alone. Oh, a monster? Nice. Ooh, that's a big bear and a golden bear. Oh, they're. Oh my God, they are huge bears. Bunch bears? Okay. Oh no. Looks like I got this. She's like, what do you mean by that? Oh, not bad. Oh, that was a turn two. Oh, oh, oh no. Oh no. About to die, dude. It's over. My God. Almost, yeah. Hmm. I'm waiting. Oh, this should be good. This should be really good. It's empty. Rip. Oh, rip, dude. Uh-huh. You got nothing. Give me a creeper, man. That's what you got. Oh my God. Hmm. Oh, interesting. Makes sense, honestly. Hmm. Hmm. I'm hungry. Mm-hmm. Pretty much. I would say those two were late though. Uh-huh. Yeah. I love that guy. Uh, Going it alone. Hmm. Uh-oh. So true. So very true. Oh no. Oh, stop letting her decide it. Real. Oh. Oh my god. Rip. Oh god. Wow. Wow, man. Oh god. The friggin' dude. The creeper. That was, yeah, that was something. That was definitely something. I just don't even have words. Yeah, him sneaking up on was Suketa? Sneaking up on her. Oh my god. And she's like, I know you're there. Thwack. That was beautiful. And they both had a total misunderstanding. She's like, I cannot believe you hate me that much. Hate me enough that you try to ambush me. She doesn't get it either. Oh my god, why? Oh. Alright, the teacher though. The teacher is hilarious. Like opens the door and like yells in these things and like Salam. Great stuff. It's good. It's good. I need more of that. Megumi going after the stupid spider. You getting your hair done for the first time ever. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh. It's pretty crazy, man. It's pretty crazy. Hmm. Hmm. Lonely Master, huh? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That was very entertaining, very funny. It's Konosuba. All Konosuba is great as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, I laughed a lot, and it was fun. And that's all I really got. Let me know what you thought. Bye bye.